This look about right. Let's see. Yeah, I think we can use this one. Perfect. Perfect. So this is what today's video is going to be on. These right here. Now the reason that I picked leaves for this video, for this demonstration, is because I really realized that it's kind of similar to our hair. So in order to actually have a leaf that's going to be healthy and moisturized, you have to continue to water that plant or water that tree. Your porosity level plays a huge factor in how your hair follicle actually obtains moisture. So you have this orange, this disgusting looking leaf. This is going to represent silky but not moisturized hair. And what I mean by that, a lot of people, they'll put product in their hair to make their hair silky, but their hair is not actually moisturized, if that makes sense. Oh my God, my leaves are trying to fly away. So this green leaf is basically saying that your hair is moisturized all the way through, and that's why it looks silky. There's a lot different between manipulating silky hair and actually having silky hair, because your hair can be silky, it can look moisturized from the top, but underneath, the root of your scalp and the root of your hair follicles is very, very dry, and it's easily damaged, and it's having breakage, and you're having split ends. That is the reason why. The root out. All right, whether that's short hair, whether that's long hair. If you have short hair, you're going to want to comb in any product that you put into your hair. If you want to brush in any product, if you have a longer hair, if you have a longer hair follicle, moisturize from the scalp and spread down to the end. That is the best way to moisturize your hair, and you're going to keep your hair looking silky, full, balanced, and everything else that you want out of it. This video wasn't going to be too long. This is one of my shorts. I just really wanted to put some value into you guys' head to understand that when you moisturize your hair, there's a lot of things that should go into that process. You should have a detailed regimen. It shouldn't just be throw product in your hair is moisturized. If you're going to take this waving seriously, if you're going to take your hair health seriously, you have to have a detailed and a very disciplined schedule on how you actually take care of your hair. Like I said, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. I hope that you love the demonstrations that I used to actually visualize using other objects instead of hair, so that you can actually see and hopefully better understand what I mean by moisturization and how to moisturize your hair. If you have any comments, feel free to comment below. I am open to any questions. My DMs are always open. Sometimes they get a little full, so sometimes they take a little long, but feel free to DM me on Instagram. My Instagram should be somewhere on the screen. I'm sure there's another card for another video, and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share this with your friends that have that nappy dry hair and that dry scalp that really need this video. Kiso is out of here. I'm gonna see y'all later.